A man is facing charges in Evansville after police say he threatened employees with a gun at Finish Line Car Wash on Saturday night. According to EPD, Jason Schimmel pulled a weapon out after being asked to leave. Investigators say he has been banned from that business following several past disturbances. Officers say Schimmel returned, shouted racial slurs, pointed a weapon at workers before leaving the scene. Police later located him and took him into custody. He's charged with intimidation with a deadly weapon.
Evansville